in Mexico for a vacation, and I have been working hard for the last 6-ish months, hustling at my regular job and then doing Amazon influencer stuff and YouTube, and it feels like all the things. And finally we made it. We are on vacation, and before leaving for vacation I was working to make sure that I got all the things done that needed to be done so that I could relax and enjoy vacation and not worry about the deadlines or the next thing I needed to review or what the hell ever. And that has been lovely, and I've really enjoyed the break, and I've been reading a little bit and spending a lot of time in this here swim up pool, and that has been awesome. This is our view, which is also lovely, really nice. That's a preferred club pool. We're staying at Dreams Aventuras in Cancun. It is definitely not my favorite. It has left a lot to be desired, but it is still hard to be mad about having an amazing swim up pool with a gorgeous view, with people that I love, and as always, getting to spend time with my love. So that has been wonderful. Thinking through, trying to create some processes for creation and content creation, and sort of using this as a reset. What is life going to look like when I get back to reality? We are here until Saturday, so we have like 5 more days, and I'm super thrilled about that. Haven't heard about the job interview yet, so I'm a little bit anxious but hopeful. And yeah, feeling pretty good, and I will catch you in the next video.